Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Black Shark 5 Pro to an Android device. First of all, just access Play Store on both of them and install completely free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on an Android. From here, choose Send on Black Shark and Receive on this smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I'll go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, tap on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see from this screen, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also input this key here and tap on Receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!